Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
We had hoped to perform well in the Garo Hills sector, but because of again dearth of funds, that was not possible. However, the fact that we have re-established our presence in the Jaili Hills is a good sign. And in spite of the party having lost 3 MLAs in urban Shillong, yet the fact is that we have a substantial vote bank, and in each of the constituencies where we had lost, we all came, second or third. Yeah? So that formidable regional vote bank is still very much present, and this is something that we have to put to good use, optimal use, because we are also gearing up for 2019, the Lok Sabha and the ADC elections.
Will there be any change in the leadership, party leadership?
There is no such discussion.
Okay, tell us about the government formation.
Government formation, we have already today formed this RDA, the Regional Democratic Alliance. We have extended support to the NPP under the leadership of Mr. Conrad. As for the other constituents of the alliance, that is being worked out by the parliamentary party of the RDA, which has Dr. Roy as its chairman. So now talks are on to get the other parties to support the alliance coalition under the leadership of Conrad of the NPP.
So are you going to approach the governor now? Are you going to, in talks with the NPP to go to the governor and show that you have the numbers now to form the government?
I think that is taking place any time today, maybe a couple of hours from now, around 3 to 4 p.m.
And so have you shortlisted who will be in the running for the portfolios, the CM candidate, Deputy CM, etc.?
No, those are matters of detail which will be worked out once we are in a position to march to Raj Bhavan and demonstrate that we have the
But Congress was here just barely 2 minutes back. Zenith Sangma saying that he has spoken to Dr. Roy and he's very confident that the Congress is going to form the government with the help of the UDP.
Zenith came and said that he's come to pay a courtesy call and have a cup of tea with Dr. Roy. That was all. We have finalized our strategy, which is to ensure that the Congress is kept out of power, and we will ensure that it is kept non-Congress. In this, we have already assured our support to the NPP to be led by.
Now it is very clear NPP will lead the government. And our partners are with us. One is UDP, Hspdp, PDF. So when you calculate the numbers, we crossed 31.
Okay, but will you be the chief minister? Because that is our
internal issue. So we are going to sit down. And then
what time do we see you or someone from Garo Hills?
Yeah, you'll be knowing it very soon. You'll be knowing it very soon because we will also have it. We will also have a meeting.
Okay? So we'll just wait. We'll have a meeting and then we'll decide.
Are you the next chief minister?
No, the MLAs will decide. As I said, we'll just wait and see how things go.
What time the NPP
I think so. No, we're going to sit now, and then by 5 o'clock we are planning to go to the government to present our support letters.
What about the PDF and few independents?
We'll see. We're in touch. We'll talk to them. अभी देखते हैं. अब वहाँ पे देख लेना governor house में.
So, would like to inform you that the parliamentary party of the UDP met today. We discussed about the formation of the new government in our state. And after a discussion, the party decided that we should go for a non-Congress government or the NPP-led government with Conrad as the chief minister. We have also decided as the RDA, we should write a joint letter to the governor informing him of the support of the RDA to the government, which will be led by Conrad Sangma.
Sir,
Yes.
when was this RDA formed and who are the key members?
You see, the RDA was formed long ago before the election. I was the shaman, and Sri Aden Basyamoy is a co-shaman of the RDA.
Sir, will BJP a part of this
Coalition
coalition?
Yeah, BJP will be part of the coalition government.
They will take part in the government.
I hope so.
Doctor, why Conrad Sangma? Because he's an MP. Why do you prefer Conrad Sangma? Because there are other elected MLAs.
Because we feel that he is most acceptable to all. And not only acceptable, he is capable. He was a minister before in our state as a finance minister, deputy chief minister in charge of finance. And we could see he could do his duty as a minister. So he has a lot of experience in the state.
So you have no trust on the other NPP MLAs?
It's not a question of trust. It's not a question of trust. It's a question of who is a better person among equals.
You have the
Will there be a deputy chief minister as well?
I don't know.
How
But
many numbers you have, sir, with you right now?
we have 6 plus 2.
Complete with NPP, it is 29, or
It should be 29.
and but still you're short of majority.
What about PDF?
No.
What about PDF?
Why don't you ask them?
But are you in touch with PDF?
No, not me.
But the lobbying has
But anyway,
already begun
no,
last night.
listen. In the House of 58, 29 is a good number to form the government. And we believe others will join, because some MLAs contacted me also. They said they prefer to go for a non-Congress government. Some MLAs from the PDF spoke to me this morning, and they have expressed that they desire that they should go for a non-Congress government.
Did the Congress offer you chief ministerial post?
You can also dive.
Yeah, you see, Dr. Mukul came here. He put his proposal, new proposal. He said, where we can share 2.5 between UDP and the Congress. But anyway, I have placed his proposal to the party. The party feels that, taking into consideration the present situation in our state, the best option is non-Congress government.
Did 2009 haunt you and the party?
I tell you, unless I have sufficient numbers of MLAs, I'll never go for the post of CM.
What was the proposal which Mr. Sama gave to you?
You see, we'll share the government.
Sir, has the UDP demanded Deputy Chief Minister?
No, we have not demanded anything.
So who's
What
going to be
do-
the deputy CM?
We have not discussed anything about the deputy CM post.
But sir, what are the conditions on which UDP has lended support to NPP?
No, we'll be part of the government, that's all. Come on.
There is no condition that
No, the only condition is that Conrad should be a chief minister.
Why not Praston Tinsa?
I don't know, his name is not suggested by them.
But they were supposed to select
No.
So this is the
No.
condition that Conrad Sama should
You
be
see,
chief
they
minister.
asked me who will be a better person to be a chief minister. So our party said Conrad Sangma is a better person.
Okay, will this government last? This
It will
government
last, it
Because
will
we
last.
had this, similar experience in 2009 where it did not last.
Situation is totally different now and 2009.
So what is the difference?
You know, who was then Delhi in 2009? Who was then Raj Bhavan? So the situation those days and present are totally different. No?
But in 19 it may change.
The future will tell you. If there is change, we will all know what is the
You
change.
adapt to the change?
That question does not arise for the present. We are concerned for the present.
But has Conrad Sangma agreed to your proposal of being he being the CM, because you have put it as a condition? Has he agreed to be the CM?
He agreed.
He has agreed?
He agreed.
So you are in essence saying that you are supporting an NPP government.
Let-
If Conrad is the
CM.
Is that the condition?
No. We said Conrad should be a CM. But if they change, then I'll take back we'll discuss again with the party, and the party will decide.
So as of now, this is the
This is a decision.
You're joining, you're going to meet the governor today later?
Around 5 we'll go and meet the governor.
With all the MLAs?
Not necessarily all, some MLAs or maybe also. Okay.
But your MLAs will be in the cabinet? What?
You see, in a coalition, you know, every partner in the coalition will have some minister in the cabinet.
What about the independents?
I don't know.
You had worked with the Congress in the past.
Yes.
This is the single largest party. What is it preventing you not to
from
work
working
with
with the
Congress?
Not me. Tell you the party discussed this issue today, whether we'll go with the Congress or we'll go with the non-Congress. Party decided we should go with the non-Congress.
So what was the thought process behind it? I mean, why not with the Congress if they are saying they are the single largest party? Some high-placed Congress also are saying inducements to you or other people include Rajya Sabha posts, cash. That's what they are saying.
No. I don't believe in this inducement. No, inducement.
What made you then?
Inducement will not work for me. I'm concerned more about the stability of the government. Okay.